Welcome to Sanar Network, Healing Together. We are dedicated to connecting Latino communities with culturally responsive mental health care because healing is both personal and collective. Too many in our communities struggle to find mental health support that truly understands them. Challenges include language barriers, stigma, difficulty finding trusted providers, and feeling unseen by non-shared experience providers. Sanar, meaning to heal in Spanish, reflects our belief that healing is a collective journey woven into family, culture, and shared experience. We exist so communities have access to care that truly sees them, making healing possible for everyone. Our mission is to provide care that speaks your language, literally and culturally. Sanar Network bridges the gap between Latino communities and mental health providers who understand their language, culture, and lived experiences. Our vision is to be the most trusted resource for Latino mental health in the Pacific Northwest, celebrating cultural identity as a key to wellness. We strive to serve 100 families in 2026, fostering a community where every individual can thrive. We offer several pricing and care options, including 100% free pro bono care and immediate support for families in crisis. We also offer a sliding scale based on income, assist with insurance options like OHP, and ensure cultural safety with bilingual specialists. Sanar Network supports everyone in our community's mental health ecosystem. This includes individuals seeking support, families navigating challenges together, community health workers guiding others, and mental health professionals expanding their impact in Latino communities. Through community education and outreach, Sanar Network brings mental health education directly to the community. We offer workshops and events, trauma-informed learning, and work toward reducing stigma through honest conversations. There is a place for you in the Sanar Network, whether you are an individual, organization, or provider. You can share resources, partner with us to expand access, or join as a provider serving Latino communities. Healing is a community act. As Richie Side said, Sanar Network was built as the bridge to ensure that healing is accessible to everyone. We invite you to take the first step. Visit sanarnetwork.com to get started.